The backpack is our most loyal hiking buddy, which we share every single step in the mountains with, and it's essential to bring all the necessary stuff to have a great time in the wilderness. Many of you frequently ask me so many questions about which pack do I use, what I carry with me, how much it weighs. So in this video I will show you how I pack for an adventure. Let's go! Just some notes, this video is about an overnight adventure, so I will carry all my camping gear as well as my photography gear. In the future I might film some other videos about how I pack for different kind of hikes. Also, this is not a tutorial, so this is just the way I personally do it. So it can be done better for sure, but that's just how I feel comfortable and how I usually do it. Most of the items that you will see in this video are listed in the description, so just check it out and you will find also some discount codes if you're interested. Also, if you have any further questions, please let me know in the comments and I will be happy to answer you. So let's start. So let's talk about the most important piece of kit, the backpack. This is a Shimoda Action X 50, which means it's 50 liter. It's not super big and you will see the stuff fits very tightly in it, but I like that it's relatively compact so I can achieve harder to reach locations, tight rocky passages, and it's way better for exposed parts where you need to be very well balanced. So I just love this pack and in my opinion works super well. And since it's a photography backpack, we're gonna start with the photography part. As you can see, this is the part where I store all my camera gear. This first section is for my camera, the camera that I'm shooting with, the camera that I shoot the vlogs with. Usually when I hike, I have it attached to the shoulder strap, but I always keep this part empty in case of rain or in case of rocky parts where I need to keep my camera inside the pack. This second part is dedicated to batteries and other accessories. So little power bank goes inside, additional camera batteries like this, cables, headlamp, GoPro if needed, spoon, nothing to do with cameras, but still. And that's it. In this third compartment, it's where I store my drone. At the moment I had a little problem with the drone, but that's another story you will see on the channel, so this will replace the drone at the moment. So, drone, batteries, and remote controller. In this upper part, I can store different kind of stuff, but usually I take my mid-range lens, which is a 24-70 by Sigma, here, and my jet boil. Again, nothing to do with cameras, but it fits perfectly. Over the jet boil, I usually put my dried food, so breakfast and main meal. And I usually fill all the empty spots with some bars. One thing I really love about these packs is this huge front pocket. And this is where I store all my clothing. I try to put the stuff inside in the reverse way I put them out. So I start with the down jacket. Even if this pack's very small, it's too thick and it doesn't fit very well inside the pocket. So I take it out. And throw it inside. Then I put my thermal layer, the trousers extension, the cap, gloves and shell, which can be useful if it rains, if it's windy, so sometimes I take it out even while hiking. The rest of the stuff all fits inside this huge internal space. So I start with a sleeping bag together with the sleeping mat. This compression bag is not very tight, so it can be compressed way more. So what I do is I put them together. Sleeping bag first, sleeping mat, and I press them down like this. And the third item is the tent. This 3-season tent is just amazing. It's so light, so compressible, and goes on top of everything. All right. And the last part is about to fill the side pockets. This bag has 2 side pockets, one of each side, so one here and one over there. So I fill them on one side with water. So this is 1.5 liters, and I put it inside the pocket. And this other one, which is a little bit less than 1 liter, I put it in this strap and I hold it this way. On the other side, I put my tent poles and my tripod, which I'm filming the video with. And if I need to store hiking poles, ice axe, or other accessories, I use these straps. Like that. And now, the final question. How much does it weigh? We'll see. $15.9 plus 2 kilos of camera. It's exactly 18 kilos. So this is how I pack for an adventure. Of course, this is not an ultra setup. 18 kilos is still quite a lot, but I think it's still manageable. In the past, I've hiked with 23 or 24 kilos, and over the years, I tried to reduce the weight till 17, 18 kilos, and the difference is huge. I can manage to hike for a lot more hours and have a way more enjoyable hike, especially for my shoulders. And of course, the pack is very important. So if you're into hiking and photography, or also just hiking with some light photography gear, I think Shimoda packs are really awesome. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. And I have a cow here. I guess I'll see you in the next adventure.